I hope you are doing well. So as promised, we'll have to be doing this practically. And today I have this one terminal here. This we call it the 321 MFWX-B. I'm going to show you a simple way you can easily wire it with your electromagnetic lock, and you have your access control setup. The good thing with this terminal is it comes with a backup battery. So I'll just connect this backup battery first. Then I just plug it in for our own convenience, so that when power is out, you still don't lose your access control functionality. So that is that, and then you just tie the screw. But I'll not use this backup battery for the demonstration, so let's put it aside. Let's get this device, and let me explain the first thing. Before you even get to wiring, you need to understand your circuit. Maybe it's not very clear here, but I want you to position this. Think about the lock. So this is the lock. Think about the device. This device has terminals. Of course, it has so many, but let's focus on these lock terminals. So on the lock terminals, you will find that it has NC. You'll also find that it has COM. COM is just common. Okay. Then you will have your external power supply. You understand that for access control to work, you also need to power your lock. And usually it has some polarity. Your lock also has some polarity. Okay. So let's do this. This is the wiring. From the power supply, the positive terminal goes to the lock's positive terminal. That is how we power the lock. Then from the lock's negative terminal, we connect to NC of the device. Then from common of the device, we do a circuit to positive of the power supply. Let's do that in practical. So I have this terminal. Of course, I'll need to power this terminal. In this case, I'm using this, but you can use the same power supply. So I'm using it because I don't want to cut this, but in actual application, you can cut this and then connect to the power supply. Okay, so once this device is powered, you'll see it will show you HIKVISION being the #1 security provider, of course. Then after connecting this, let's identify this. This is the lock circuit. So from the lock circuit, according to our diagram, is that from the device NC, let's identify NC. NC is white purple cable. So the white purple is this one. So this white purple NC goes to the negative of the lock. So on the lock I've connected, I have this wire, and on my lock number 2 is the orange one. So I'll just connect it to, I'll connect it to positive. I connect it to NC. Then I just secure it. Of course, if you're doing professionally, you also get tape and cover it. Actually, in actual situation, you'll definitely get that. Then negative of the lock, positive of the lock goes to positive of the power supply. So this is what I'm using for the power supply. I'll check positive, I'm using the white one. So the blue white. So I connect and terminate those two, right? Then after doing that, remember, this is a network device. You can also connect it. I'll connect it to my laptop software. Though I'll not show you the software connectivity and configuration in this video. Actually, let's leave it out. Then what's remaining? We have the negative of the power supply going to the common, which is white yellow. This white yellow going to the negative of the power supply. So let me just confirm my circuit is complete. My device is powered. Okay, my device is powered. That's how you do wiring of your circuit. So let's just verify it once more. NC, that is NC goes to negative of the lock. So NC, white and purple, goes to negative of the lock. See? So that is the design. Then positive of the lock goes to positive of the power supply, which is the white, and then common connects to the negative of the power supply. And yeah, we have our lock. So I can just connect this. So already it's locked. So that's what you'll connect on your door. Now let me try to access. With my face, the lock goes off. Let me align them properly. I'll give it a few seconds so that it disengages, allows someone to pass, and then they can enter again, and then it will come back to power. So just making sure that I don't have, you can also adjust that delay. You see now it's back on and it's locked. Again, let me use my fingerprint. See, the lock goes off and I can disconnect. So that's one easy way to just simply get the HIKVISION access control working. Now you can do other things. We are going to connect this. This is a secondary reader to this. We're also going to have another instance where you need an exit button. It may be this electric infrared no touch exit button, or it may be the conventional button that you just push. We can also do both, but I'll prefer this because the other one is just the same thing. You only need to power it. Okay, so let's stay tuned. Let's see more. Let's do more with the number one security provider, of course. This is a HIKVISION 321 terminal with a backup battery. Okay, so in the next video, we're going to connect the exit button. We're also going to do two readers so that you see the sense in what we are doing. Okay, so thank you so much for staying tuned. I hope it helps you to do your configuration and your setup. In case you have inquiries, you need me to make you understand, then let's keep in touch and stay tuned for the same. Again, yeah, it's still working. So it's going to work like this as long as the device is online and within the device life. We're also going to do a configuration. Thank you and cheers.